Hi, I'm Stephanie and this is my home, the 16th century Chateau de Lalande. Lalande was owned for hundreds of years by a family of marquises who were at the heart of French royal life. One of them even had the honour of being sent by King Louis XV to greet Marie Antoinette on her arrival in France. But, far from being a stuffy museum, this chateau is a living home. I live here all the time and am regularly joined by my mother, my family, my friends, and wonderful volunteers from all over the world who help me to lovingly restore this historic home. Welcome to Lalande, a chateau filled with life, love, and laughter. I got up super early today because today is Patron Day at Lalande. I'm going to write all of the welcome cards for our patrons. Admittedly, there are over 300 to write, so I don't know if I'll get through them all today. But no time like the present, I'm going to make a cup of tea and heat a croissant and then sit in the sunshine at the kitchen table. It's such a gorgeous day. That's boiled. Yes, we're in luck. That means that Mummy must be around here somewhere. I haven't seen her yet today. I'm going to get all the cards. Oh, I better not put the tea anywhere near them in case I spill it. I'm going to set up. To help with the cards. Well, Sif, I can do with all the extra help. How would you feel about gluing on stamps? Ooh, hiding now, hiding behind the bar. I think that's a no on the stamps. Is that a no? Good morning, Mummy. I was just making myself a cup of tea. Would you like one?
Good morning, darling. After the garden?
What garden?
Do you want to come and see what's growing in it?
Oh, okay. Yes. Yes, why not? It'll do me the world of good to get out. What have you been up to?
Ah, well, a lot of work, a lot of tidying up, a lot of clearing. And you're going to see Selmar. We've worked so hard at the garden.
Good morning.
Morning.
Well,
Gosh, it looks like you've been extremely busy in here.
Well, the thing is, I'll
It's
show
old
you.
Christmas tree, you see?
No.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
hang on, let me just look at that. It's really the old Christmas tree.
It was already for a while in the woods. And your mom needed new.
We worked without stop. Look.
Selma, you're so
Our
clever.
shovel, look.
It was broken.
Broken.
That's how hard you've been
Both
working.
of them. We broke one each.
We cannot go to the shop, so we have
And we need them.
we have a lot of wood in your
I like.
forest. So
I'm so impressed, Selma. I'm so impressed.
It's
and
one
this is where the Christmas trees are very
pliable.
Yes.
So
yes.
that is very good for an.
Good.
Yeah, and I like this kind
It's
of work.
wonderful.
So yeah, I like to do it.
Fantastic. I'm so happy. That is incredible.
Yeah.
Yes. So now I'll show you how we broke those shovels.
Yes. So.
Sif, are you keeping an eye on me? Have you run round here because you're stressed that I'm not carrying on with the letters? I'm going to get back to it as soon as I've seen the garden.
You see, we prepared those beds ready for the tomatoes.
Oh, this is exciting.
2 beds for the tomatoes.
Wonderful.
Lives on in hope.
Well, quite. It's the most important thing in life.
And today I planted green beans over there.
And look how the onions have shot up. Oh, it's been so sunny. It's been beautiful here. There's the parsley, happily growing with a bit of blue string. No one knows why, but it seems to be firmly attached, so I'm leaving it. That is a superb outfit, Diesel. Absolutely superb. Well, that was lovely, but it's time to get back to work. Another 310 to go. I'm feeling quite pleased because I've managed to write 50 letters, which is a good start. So it's time for a break. I'm going to find my mother and we're going to have a lovely walk down to the old oak tree before coming back and meeting Nick, Marie and Antoine for Sunday lunch. That walk became so epic that I posted it as a separate video and I'll put the link to it here. So click on that if you want to discover the legend of the ancient oak tree and the grisly murder that lies behind it. That's a perfect sight after a long walk. Oh, Marie, I've just noticed what you're holding.
Not to make a funny face.
You are also beautiful today, but what you're holding is even more beautiful. You, your dress, and the avocados. All magnificent. I made a simple table today.
That's perfect.
We didn't have much time after our walk.
Yeah. Very good.
Ooh.
Oh, and I used the plate that matches the...
Oh my goodness, and you did that not on purpose?
Absolutely, yeah.
We're using vintage Limoges porcelain from Bernardo today. And Marie just happened to pick up the right platter. It was meant to be. And I tend to cheat. Well, I don't think it's cheating. It's just being sensible. I use boxed wine, but I put it in a really pretty carafe. It makes it taste better and it just looks a lot prettier. This is beautiful. What is it, Marie, inside it?
It is actually your favorite thing. It's the surimi.
Yes! Oh, this is the best lunch ever.
I had never eaten that before, actually, these holidays, or this moment, so...
But we've converted you.
Oui. Really crab is still better.
Marie, this looks beautiful.
It's very easy, again, as usual. It's just you... Well, I put a bit of cognac actually around the meat. You put garlic, herbs on the fillet, and then you cook it for actually 15 to 20 minutes if you want it red. That's all. So that's super easy Sunday lunch.
And why are you holding cream and cognac right now? This is great. I like this.
It's to make a bit of a sauce.
I'm going to watch you.
You know, because French people, we have to do sauce. So that's the jus.
The juice.
The juice. On va remettre un petit coup de cognac. Hop. We try to scrap all the... We don't have time to do it more in a more complicated way.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Because I must have lost a lot of calories on that walk.
Well, you know what my friend Anne says is that I live out of love and crème fraîche.
Love and crème fraîche. I like it.
So not love and fresh water, but love and crème fraîche.
Beautifully cut, Nick. That is amazing. Marie, it's perfect.
And I made vegetables.
Oh, we never make vegetables. Well, when you make vegetables...
They're tiny, you know, it's not too many vegetables.
It's beautiful.
But, tiens. So let's go? Yeah?
Let's go.
Okay.
That'll do for now anyway, won't it? That's good. Somebody has sent me the most beautiful salt and pepper.
That's good.
What do they call cruet set? Salt and pepper cruet set. And Antoine is filling it with salt.
C'est plein.
With the help of the elusive Nick's arm. You look beautiful today, Antoine.
Thank you.
Okay. Sauce.
Très beau, dis donc. Oh, moi j'aime bien les plateaux de fromage comme ça.
And Marie, would you like a selection of oat cakes,
Oh, yeah.
cream crackers and bread?
Is it allowed to take a
You take whatever you want.
Merci.
We've got more of everything except for the bread. That's the last of the bread. What are you bringing, Antoine? These are the recent parcels that have arrived, and Antoine has been desperate to open them with me. So they've been waiting for a few days so that we could open them together.
We can open with on the dessert.
Dessert, yeah, perfect. We will open them during dessert. Good English, Antoine. Did you just describe this as an everyday cake?
Yes, I do.
What?
Because that's the cake we do with Antoine where we want a bit of chocolate cake. It's very simple. So it's really the everyday kind of cake.
I'm so happy you're here to make your everyday cake. Because we don't have that every day here.
Yeah, well, oui, ça va.
Oh, it looks so good.
Okay. with a little coffee. Comme ça, tu vois, il est bien...
Il est bien moelleux.
Il est bien moelleux et il est assez égal.
Oh, il est super bien.
This is so French. A mother and son discussing how moist the cake is.
So we do this cake together normally, and we try different variations. So this time probably it's okay.
Allez, Antoine. Go for it, Antoine. Ooh, sparkly. See if there's a letter. There is a letter. Oh, beautiful, beautiful card. I know what it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, look. A peacock necklace based on a 1950s brooch.
That's superb.
It is beautiful.
How wonderful that is.
So do you think it's going to suit you or me the most, Antoine? Okay, if you insist, I'll put it on. What do you think?
Wonderful.
This is really
I absolutely love it.
perfect with your jumper as well.
Yes, it does go well.
Yeah, there was something lacking, wasn't there?
Ah, definitely.
Thank you, Diane. Thank you. Mummy will want this box. Does Mummy want this sparkly box?
Mummy doesn't know yet.
Okay, fine. I'll put it in the bin.
No.
Mummy does want the sparkly box.
It's too pretty to throw that away. Oh, for goodness sake.
So,
Mummy will want all of the newspaper.
Yes.
Voila. This is well wrapped.
yes.
It's like pass the parcel. I think I know what this is, and I think we should pass it to Mummy. I think, Mummy, you should open this. If I'm not much mistaken.
Oh, isn't that wonderful? How kind.
I think it's from David. There's no letter in it.
Oh, that's
But
wonderful.
I think it's from David, who managed to find one to replace the one that broke.
Thank you, David. That's wonderful.
I absolutely love these. I was so sad when the others broke.
I thought we would never.
Look at the little cherubim frolicking. Nick is particularly fond of cherubim.
And seraphim.
Seraphim are his favourite, but he does also like cherubim.
And how do you stand
That's
up?
wonderful.
Yeah, what's your position on Putty? We'll never know. Another one. Tiens, will you do the honours?
Okay.
Oh, a letter. Tu veux ça pour l'autre côté? Botanicals, pansies. This is from another Stephanie who's packing up house to move. And she found this little guy in a box. She thought he might fit into a corner of the chateau.
Oh.
Ah, well, Nick, you are majorly in luck today, Nick, aren't you? Oh, that is superb. Wow. I feel like we need to make get little plaster ovals,
Yes.
put them on a wall.
Yes.
This is from a woman who worked in couture for over 40 years in Paris.
Goodness me.
Next box. Okay, I'll take that one away. This is like pass a parcel with things in each layer. Oh, what a beautiful frame. I can't see what's in it, but the frame is stunning. It's all Nick's Christmases come at once. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. He's gorgeous.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Just beautiful.
That is incredible.
With a little boat, look. He's holding a tiny boat.
That's beautiful.
In fact, he's neither a cherubim nor a
No
seraphim.
one.
He's a little boy. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. What a Sunday, hey Antoine? Another great Sunday.
Ah, c'est superbe. Well, you can see it from the look. It's a
Yes.
piece of marble or something. Ah, c'est beau. Hein?
Wow, where
Très,
did
très
you
beau.
put it? Oh, lovely.
I have to find a spot and hang it.
Ah, c'est très beau. Ouais.
What's you doing with the stick? Okay, but usually you joust with the sheep with it. Oh dear. Bye-bye. And she's off.
How are you getting on, darling?
I'm about to write the 167th card. So I think I'm doing well, but in fact, I'm going to stop. After this one, I'm stopping for today because otherwise I'll go a bit insane, and also I can't focus on each one properly. But I'm actually enjoying it very much.
Stephanie, I have proposed to help. For goodness sake, the job would be done.
I know Mummy keeps offering to write them for me to sign them, but at first I felt no Mummy, because I think I should do it.
I'm your mother.
I know that, and I think people would love to hear from you, and they would love you to sign them, but I started off thinking I should do it, it's my responsibility to do it, and now I want to do it because it's honestly incredibly moving. It's really moving. I mean, people have been writing to me, some of the patrons saying, I'm sorry I can't give more, I'm giving the contribution of $5 a month, I wish I could give more, but I actually want all of you who are doing that to know this is a pile to people who have given $5 a month, and that's 100 people. So just there, it's $500 for a month to help sustain the chateau, to do restoration, to do work. And I find that incredible that these $5 contributions are helping enormously. You have no idea. It's not a small amount. It makes a very real, huge difference here at the
Of course
chateau.
it does, of course. And I'm glad that you are feeling the need to communicate individually, which
I do.
everyone.
I want to write personally to everybody.
I'm
It means
glad.
a lot to me. Really, it does.
Okay.
So, well, I'll do the 168th, and then I think it might be time for a cup of tea and a piece of cake. Your amazing banana cake, Mummy.
Oh yes, okay then. Shall we taste the cake made by somebody who cannot bake?
Well, you still don't want us to know that you can bake.
No, I cannot bake.
You can bake. This is the proof. It's in literally the pudding.
Sweetheart, it's absolutely obvious. I have always spent my life not being able to bake, and I'm not going to start now. And I am in utter admiration when I see all the posts about baking.
But look what you've made, Mummy! Banana cake and the beautiful table you've prepared for us.
Ah, thank you.
With the remains of the chocolate chicken. Well, I shall probably have a bit of chocolate with the banana cake. That will be very
Would you
good.
like butter with the banana cake?
I think I'm going to go for chocolate. Thank
Very
you.
good. Bon appétit alors.
Bon appetit and cheers.
And cheers to all of us, you and me.
And I want to end this video with some very good news, because the elusive Nick just sent me a bit of video footage that he's just taken in the garden. Look who's back.
Oh, c'est trop mignon.
A huge thank you to all of our patrons at Lalande who are making this vlog possible, especially our Marquise and Marquise of Lalande, Dan Banda, Daniela, Laura Demare, Caroline Foster, Brenda Gibbons, Laure Kahutikova, JC Award, Maureen Palmer, Colleen Troyer, Brian Woodward and David Young. And thank you to all of you.